Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the Xbox, then waiting 5 to 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. This protects you and the board. Once done, remove the outer case using Torx T8/T10 and plastic pry tools while keeping screws organized in labeled piles. Make sure to wear an anti-static wrist strap and use a magnifier so you can spot bent pins or cracked solder joints. From here, you'll expose the HDMI assembly for inspection and decide whether cleaning, reflow, or replacement is next. You now inspect the HDMI assembly closely. Look for bent pins, lifted pads, or cracked solder joints because these cause most failures. Once you identify issues, clean the area with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove corrosion and flux, then dry with compressed air. If solder joints look cold, reflow them carefully with a soldering iron or hot air at controlled temperature. If pins are bent or pads are torn, replace the entire HDMI port assembly and secure it properly to the board. You reassemble the Xbox by reinstalling shielding and the outer case, tightening screws in the original order so nothing shifts. Make sure no cables are trapped. Once assembled, connect a known good HDMI cable to a reliable TV and power it on. Check video resolution, audio, and stable signal because intermittent flicker means solder or connection issues remain. If problems persist, try swapping the HDMI port module or seek professional micro-soldering service. This one key troubleshooting step often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.